How to fix MLB Ballpark app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, let's go ahead and check if this application is updated or not. Head over to your Play Store and search for MLB Ballpark. If it shows open, then it means this application is updated. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once done, open up your settings application and scroll below onto apps. Here search for Ballpark again, then tap onto storage. Clear the cache and also clear the data. Before that, make sure that you note all your password down. Once done, come back and tap on Force Stop and tap on OK. Once you have done all that, see if this fixes your app not working problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. This will definitely fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.